In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a birthday design on Canva. So, of course, we need to finalize what size our birthday design will be. Okay, so let's search on birthday design first. Okay, we have different sizes here. Okay, click whichever you think it is that you'd like to have. There you go. So maybe this size is okay. And then we're not going to use that template here, but this can be our inspiration to create our personalized one. So let's click on Add Page. There you go. So for example, our birthday celebrant is Kanwoji. There. So let's remove the background. Edit image. Remove the background. Let's wait for some time. Now let's look for some elements here. So for example, we would like to have a confetti here. No, it doesn't look good. Okay, let's layer it to back. Okay, I think that's nice. Okay, there you go. All right, now let's look for the text and search for a good one for our happy birthday. Hmm. Let's have this one. This should be "You are invited." I'm not good at making designs, but I hope this is gonna look good. Uh, okay, this one's better. This one. You are invited. Hmm. Let's add more pictures of her. Let's put our who, what, when, and where. Only what, when, and where. So will be hmm, birthday celebration. Yeah, just like what I've told you, I suck at creating decorations and the like. December 25. Red residences. Let's make this justified. Oh, Okay. Let's have an element here. Something like ribbon or balloons. All right. So we can add, oh, I think this one's better. Let's remove this. Let's make this big. All right, this one's really simple, but I think it's okay. That's about it. That's how you can create a birthday design on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.